To get the most out of Gauth AI for complex study topics, start by providing clear and detailed input. Use precise language, avoiding jargon, and include relevant background information and context. Break down complex questions into smaller parts. Visual aids like diagrams and graphs, even photos of textbook problems, can significantly improve Gauth AI's understanding. Utilize subject specific modes and any built in tools Gauth AI offers. Guide its responses with specific prompts, asking for simple explanations or step by step solutions, and encourage the use of analogies. Always verify Gauth AI's answers with other sources and ask follow up questions to clarify any uncertainties. Remember that Gauth AI, while powerful, has limitations. Its responses should be critically evaluated, and its understanding may not match that of a human expert. Use Gauth AI strategically, supplementing its assistance with your own active learning and critical thinking skills.